How much time did you spend last week pulling data out of PDFs? Be honest, because for most finance and operational teams, the answer is hours. And the painful part isn't even the time, is that it's entirely unnecessary. AI agents can handle this now. Not just extraction, also validation, categorization, visualization, summarization. I'm going to prove it in this video during 4 live demos right now. Watch the timestamps, try them yourself, and by the end of this video, you will have a workflow you can use today. To start working with the PDFs and AI agents, first you have to go to chat.ajelix.com because this is the tool that we're going to use for all use cases. First use case we're going to start with is uploading several PDF invoices from different providers with different formatting, different designs, and we're going to ask an AI to extract the information and structure all of it into a one Excel table. Let's start with uploading the invoice folder. I'm just going to drop here a folder. So here you can see the folder's name is invoices, and I have random invoices I found online. So we can see that each invoice is structured differently. Let's start with asking AI to extract this information. I already have saved a prompt. So here I'm asking AI to extract all line items, quantities, prices, and totals from the invoice folder with PDFs and organize them into an Excel spreadsheet. Validate the line item totals to match the invoice grand totals. Let's just click send. And we'll see what AI will provide us with. So before execution, AI has provided us with a work plan. This is the difference between agents and chats. So agent, before he starts executing the task, he provides a work plan where you can see the reasoning behind it and you can make sure that AI has really understood the task. And at this point, you can just adjust or maybe ask him to do something else. I'm seeing that everything looks good, so I'm just gonna click start. And as AI said, it will take approximately 3 to 5 minutes to complete this task. AI has finished reasoning and he has completed the task using more than 20 actions. It took him more than 5 minutes to complete this work. Let's see what AI has provided us. So here's the summary with all the totals. He has provided here an Excel file, and so you can easily download it. And so here is the file with all the vendors, invoice numbers, dates, lines, descriptions, names, quantities, unit prices. Let's just check a few things to make sure that he has really extracted the information specifically from the invoices. Here, let's take a look at the first invoice. See here, so it was Forget Company with 5 lines and totaling $500. So here is Forget Company, 5 lines and description 1, yep, and all the sums are correct. Let's check out next invoice, which is Giggling. There's brand design, and yeah, the prices also match. So we have already an Excel template with vendor data, and this is how you can upload hundreds of invoices and extract them and arrange them into an Excel table, which you can later on use for analysis. Let's move on to the next use case where extracting information from bank statements. So I have already prepared a PDF with bank statement data. So there are different kind of purchases with balances, transactions. At this point, it's useless. And I want to get this information as an Excel table so I can actually manipulate with the data. I can rearrange them. So I'm asking AI to extract the transactions from bank statement PDF, categorize them by type, and build a monthly summary table in Excel. So I can actually adjust it and use for reports. For extracting, again, we have the work plan. Everything looks good. I'm just gonna click Start Task. AI has finished reasoning. It took him more than 5 minutes, and here we can see that it did perform 13 actions. Then he provided a summary table with the totals and the categories. And here is also the Excel file I have already downloaded, so let's check out. So here are the transaction details. So he has extracted all the information and categorized them into the tables There's a monthly summary with all the data. There's also a category breakdown. There's like interest income in groceries, dining, retail. Let's check the statement itself again. There are post purchases with a terminal from sports bar and grill, different kinds of purchases and checks. And so this is again a super valuable use case where you can upload, for example, statements from with several months, and you can just save time and reduce the amount of manual errors if you would do this manually. In this use case, I want to show you how to convert long PDF reports into representative interactive dashboards that you can present to your team or management. I have annual report. I have uploaded it here. So here is the PDF. It's some kind of company's highlights and the annual report with lots of content, several tables here. It's pretty big. It has almost 60 pages. So I'm gonna add a prompt to AI to extract most important data tables from the report. I added the name of the report. Then I'm asking him to create a visual dashboard with charts showing revenue trends, blah, blah, blah. And make sure to use my brand colors. The design should be sleek, modern, ready to present to board. And then I'm gonna provide the output here in the chat as an asset. Now I'm going to click send and we'll see what AI provides. AI has reasoned for seconds and he has provided a work plan. There are like 5 tasks and actually everything looks good, so I'm just going to click start task. AI has finished creating the dashboard, so it took him around 5 minutes to complete and he performed 10 actions. Here's the summary and let's take a look at the dashboard. And okay, he has inserted the title, the fiscal year, the currency, okay, and here like this is a super sleek modern design, to be honest. And here we can see the sales and the profit and sales growth, profit and operating cash flow, and sales by region and sales by business sector, balance sheet summary. This looks pretty good, and I can save it to my assets library. I can just publish it, confirm, copy the link, and I can just share it with a link to anyone. This is how you can create a super amazing dashboards, visual materials, PowerPoint presentations using a PDF report as a data source. And the fourth use case, legal document reviews, because who has time to read 40 pages of agreement? Let's just start with uploading a agreement I found online. So it's a legal services agreement. I have prompt where I'm asking AI to read contract about legal services and extract main payment terms, termination clauses, and any penalty clauses. And I'm asking him to format this into a clean Word document summary. So let's just click send, see what he creates. And I'm accepting the work plan. AI has finished reasoning. It took him around 2 to 3 minutes, just like the AI estimated here. He took 10 actions. Let's see the Word document that he created. And here is the summary about the payment terms, hourly rates, termination clauses, withdrawal, penalty clauses, attorney, billing dispute. When you give AI to extract the information from the document and the agreement, you just save yourself a time and you can actually go into the meeting already prepared about the potential agreement that your company might sign. So, and this is a pretty awesome way to speed up your time. Every one of these workflows I just showed you are all possible using chat.ajelix.com tool. And if your business runs on PDFs, invoices, statements, contracts, reports, and you're still doing any of this manually, you're leaving hours on the table every single week. So the link is in the description below, or you can just input chat.ajelix.com. You can try it free because we have a free trial available. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate a subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ajelix, and leave a comment below so we know that it's valuable for you. And well, we'll see you on the next one.